Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel That Look You Love. Today's video I'm going to be sharing this makeup look and also this mini travel kit that I've carried on my trip to London. Let's just get into it. The first thing is the moisturizer. This is by Strivectin. It's a water-based moisturizer and it is such an amazing one. It made my skin really glow this entire trip. The next thing I went in with is my foundation, and this is by Nude Sticks. It's in the shade medium 5. Really great for my skin tone. It just matches correctly, and I've almost finished it actually. I really love the finish of this foundation. I basically put this on with a beauty blender, and a beauty blender is something everyone must carry if you're traveling. You can literally do your entire makeup with just one beauty blender. So no mess of carrying big brushes and stuff. Just carry a beauty blender, and according to me the YBP one is the best one I've tried so far. So yeah, you can check that out actually. The next thing is, I literally have used this my entire trip. This is by Mana Kadar. It's the Goddess kit and it has everything you need. All of these are mini. You can just like not even carry the whole thing and put it in your pouch. So yeah, taking the bronzer, I again used my beauty blender, and this is another cool trick that I really like. Now that it's May and it's summer, your makeup is going to melt throughout the day, and if you want to save that from happening, this is a really cool trick. So powder products, using it with a damp beauty blender is just amazing. You guys should totally give it a try. Just some on my eyelids to give it some warmth. The next thing I went in with is this highlighter, and I am so in love with it. You guys can see it yourself. It gives the most beautiful glow to your skin, as if you're glowing from within. And even if you put this with no foundation, no makeup on, it just looks like you have flawless skin. So I'm literally in love with this highlighter. It also has a pink tint to it, so yeah, just like a tiny little flush of pink on your cheeks. Looks good. The next thing I went in for is this duo that came along with the kit. This has a blush on and a highlighter. Basically, I took the blush on first and the highlighter on top, and you have glowy skin with this routine for sure. I also used the brush that came along with the kit, so just letting you guys know. The next thing I went in with is this neon paint, actually again a mini one. You can get this on Amazon. You have like a lot of colors and it's neon, so if you go somewhere at night, it's gonna really glow and pop. Mini brush kit is what it is. I used the tiniest one I have and just created a liner. Also what I did was I added these two hearts on one side of my face, and I think it looks really cute, especially with the color. And it's a really simple makeup look, so this just added like a pop. And the next thing and the last thing is my lipstick. This lipstick I actually got with the kit, and it was a little too light for me. I'm not a fan of very light shades. I added another color on top. This is by Bite Cosmetics, and I got this on my birthday month of mine from Sephora. They gave it to me as a gift. 2 tiny lipsticks is what I got, and this was one of them. Really cute one again. It's in the shade Grace. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a very simple one, and this is what I have carried on my trip for 3 weeks to London. I also have an eyeshadow palette. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. I'll see you all super soon in my next one. Bye.